Prosecutor asks judge to revoke bond for Harrison Floyd in Georgia. Atlanta, AP. The Georgia prosecutor pursuing a case against former President Donald Trump and others on Wednesday asked a judge to revoke the bond of defendant Harrison Floyd, saying he has been intimidating witnesses and co-defendants in the case. Floyd, Trump and 17 others were indicted in August by a Fulton County grand jury in August, accused of participating in a wide-ranging scheme to illegally try to overturn the 2020 election in Georgia. 4 defendants have pleaded guilty after reaching a deal with prosecutors and the rest have pleaded not guilty. The charges against Floyd stem from allegations of harassment of Ruby Freeman, a Fulton County election worker who had been falsely accused of election fraud by Trump and his supporters. Floyd took part in a January 4, 2021, conversation in which Freeman was told she needed protection and was pressured to make false statements about election fraud, the indictment says. Prosecutors said in Wednesday's motion to revoke his bond that he had been posting on X, formerly known as Twitter, in an effort to intimidate co-defendants and witnesses, to communicate directly and indirectly with co-defendants and witnesses, and to otherwise obstruct the administration of justice. His actions amounted to intentional and flagrant violations of his bond conditions, prosecutors wrote. Chris Kuchoroff, an attorney for Floyd, said District Attorney Fani Willis' attempt to revoke his client's bond was nonsense, adding, "She's not going to get it granted." He said he plans to file a motion to disqualify Willis from the prosecution of his client, because of her personal animus against my client. Floyd was the only one of the 19 defendants in the case to spend time behind bars at the Fulton County Jail in August. While the other defendants in the case had their lawyers reach out to prosecutors for a bond agreement before turning themselves in at the jail, Floyd showed up on August 24 without a lawyer or a bond agreement. He was released August 30 after his lawyer negotiated a $100,000 bond. File. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis speaks in the Fulton County Government Center August 14, 2023, in Atlanta. Willis, who charged former President Donald Trump over his efforts to overturn the state's 2020 election, says she expects his trial will be underway over Election Day next year and could possibly stretch past the inauguration in 2025. AP photo. John Bazemore, file.